Given question is to construct the involute of the given square. Okay, so the value of the square is 100 millimeter, side of the square is 100 millimeter. Now let us draw the square first from the line command, then take a point somewhere and take a distance of 100 millimeter and units which are already selected as 100 millimeter. Now this is 100. Now vertically again 100, same 100. So in this way you have to construct the square first. After that you can measure by selecting the linear dimension. Yeah, this 100, right? So now select the text. In that again you can go for M text. Shortcut key will be M text. Then here at one corner let us write A and same will copy. Go for copy selection. Then from here off the ortho off, then second one will be here, then next. Again if you want you can make movement also for this. Okay, so it is at the very close to corner, so just make the movement, select this square, then here. Okay, now edit this, double click that, it will appears A, B, then again double click, left click, so this will be C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So now from here we have to make the involute, means with the center of A you have to take the radius of AD, then you have to make an arc from A will be center and you have to make the arc. So the line that should be produced from this one BA. Okay, so first you have to draw some vertical lines from here like this with some distance. Okay, make your ortho on so that you will get the vertical lines properly. Then escape, then again take the another line. So from here second point from B, draw the vertical line, horizontal line. Now again one more line. So from the point C take one more vertical line. Yeah, this enough. And from the point D again one more horizontal line. Okay, now here let us take A will be the center and you have to make a arc. Okay, so arc should be like one we are entering from center to start to end point. So you have to select here center, from the center start end. So first we'll select the center, then start point, then this will be the end point. Okay, so yeah, here, but it's covering full entire the circle, but we want only in this area. So for that you have to press Ctrl, then hold it, then it will be ended. Where you want it will be shown. Yeah, here, that's it. So you have to just, I will repeat again, delete. So take the same circle from center to the starting point to the end point. So here it's completely showing the one circle. Okay, let us make pan first. Yeah, take the pan so that it can be very, select the same curve. So from the center to the start point to the end point. Yeah, starting to the end point. So enter Control. you can check, right? Okay, once you enter the control, then only it is very easy to find this curve. Now again B will be center, same curve we will repeat. B will be center and this will be the starting point, and here this will be the ending point. Again enter control. Yeah, that's it. We'll repeat again. Now C will be center, click the same curve. C will be center and starting point will be this one and ending point will be this one, the here somewhere. Again enter the control so that you can draw properly. Now again same curve. Now D will be the center. Now starting point will be this one and ending point will be here. Again enter the control and hold it. So here will be the ending point. So repeat the pan. So these are the point P1, P2, P3 and P4 will be, and these unwanted parts you can trim, enter trim, then this will be removed. Yes. So in this way we can go for making the involute of the square. Now the side which given is here 100 millimeter. Okay, for the given problem. Okay, thank you for watching.